All right, guys, Jeff here, just super excited to dive into this. I've got this multi-use torch. This one looks like a super fun one. So let's go ahead and check this thing out. Pull it out. Look at that. That's exactly what you want. That is exactly what you want. So it's a torch in the shape and form of a flamethrower. Even has a handle, stock, trigger. Oh man, this is going to be fun. Let's check this thing out real quick. So, okay, it's going to use any style of propane bottle that you have. I'm going to go ahead and just use this larger 1-pounder. They have smaller ones, but this one definitely get the job done. And you can see that thread's on. Now I find it easier on these kind of things to turn them upside down just so that you get the gravity pushing against that, and then helps you seat that as a nozzle, those threads. Those threads are super, super fine, easy to strip out, and hard to get done if you're just trying to sit there and hold it. So I've got that turned on. This has a electric light. I think you can probably see that flashing in there. Yep. And then gas operation here, looks like you just turn it, and then let's see. Yeah, you can hear it also rushing through there the second you open that valve. So we'll just make sure we're in a good spot here to do this, but I'll kind of give you just maybe the water down. So trigger operated, and okay, so we got it trigger operated here. I'll go ahead and open up that gas just a little bit, pointed in a safe direction. Let's see what we got here. There we go. That took a little bit. And you can see that has got some serious flame to it. And dialing it down, it's not even small, but you can hear, you could about raise a hot air balloon with that. So just by dialing that on and up, turn it on and off. So of course, with anything like this, you have to be completely aware that thing is going to be molten lava type hot. So just keep that away, don't touch that, and then use this. So anyway, this thing, you can do a variety of things with this. My favorite thing to do is to light charcoal briquettes. So if you have a torch like this, it just makes very, very short work of lighting up barbecue grills. So let me go see what I have out there in the shed that I can help light up. But just right out of the box, I can tell you, super fun. Just a great use of, like, well, we all need a torch around for a variety of things. Weed burning, insect burning, lighting your barbecue grill, searing the tops of your meat, things like that. So the torch comes in handy for sure. So if you're going to have one, though, why not have it be in the shape of a flamethrower? So anyway, hang on just 1 second. We'll go see what we got to burn. All right, guys. So we're going to go ahead and take our flame-throwing torch here, and we are going to light that briquettes, just so you can see how fast this goes. And you can see that's nothing but flame hitting those. And I just want you to see how quick those briquettes start to turn white on the edges. So we're 20 seconds into this, and I can already tell you that briquette that it's got on there, you can probably see that, is already, yeah, you see there's already briquettes that are smoking. Got that white part to it. And so just like that, we're 40 seconds into this, and I can walk away from this fire now, knowing that those briquettes are well on their way to providing that heat that we're looking for. So anyway, this is just one of the things that you can do with this. I'll go ahead and shut this off. But this is just one of the things. So just in 1 minute time, I've got that pile of briquettes lit up, and that's on the higher setting. All right, so just like that, I've got my briquettes going. I've got enough white part on those that I'll be able to get that the rest of the fire going here with no problem using that. So this thing, multifunctional, You could use this, let's go ahead and zoom back out. You could use this to burn your weeds. I walked around here, I'm sure I could find some in my rocks. You can use it to burn your bugs, scorpions, whatnot. So a lot of different things you can do with it. Sear the top of your food if you're looking for a little char at the end of the day. So just a lot of different things you can do. So if you're in the market looking for something fun, and again, there's a lot of things out there, torches and weed burners and all that, but not many that look like a flamethrower. So if you're in the market looking for something fun to do with a, I mean, literally you can see I've got charcoal there that is pretty much ready to cook off of. Probably go a little bit longer, but just about ready to cook off of with just literally doing this torch on it for just 1 minute. So anyway, just super solid, fun way to get your barbecue lit, and then you will be the talk of the barbecue. You break this guy out to get your torch started. That's going to be the talk of the whole party. So check it out.